All right, we're here with Coach Alex Thomas. I mean, not the best result today. Team started out well. You were down by 2 goals. Got a clear opportunity that would have, if that had gone in, it would have been 2-1. The game would have probably been different. Like 4 minutes after that, you went behind further when they scored the third goal. I mean, talk to us about your overview of the game coming out of the holidays.
Um, Coming out of the we started out the game pretty well. We get Mount Pleasant get a penalty. I have to watch a replay if it was a penalty or not. But heads went down. But we are plagued by injuries, and we have to give there's a lot of youngsters that we exposed today, and that is good. But they have to man up quickly and mature quickly and get a grasp of the league quickly. But that is what fell short of us today. Mount Pleasant did what they needed to do to win the game, and kudos to them.
Right, I noticed Cunningham who has been a fixture at centre back, helped to bring that balance to your defence, leadership, his leadership qualities. He was also absent today. Your goalkeeper Peter Harrison was red carded. I mean, did those two changes in the backline affect how you defended throughout the game?
That is, those are two senior players with quality and leaders in the after park. So definitely you're gonna find. You're gonna find us trying to find the necessary adjustment. Jana, he gone on a trial in Vietnam, so well done to him. But and there's a lot of players, senior players out, and we are trying to move around players, trying to find the right chemistry. But that is the nature of the sport. No complaining, but we have to go back to the drawing board and fix things again.
Well, the window opens in a couple of days. Really, we noticed Nicholas Nelson is here. I mean, so hoping that you should have him back. But are you also looking at making adjustments to your team through the transfer window, or you already have all the personnel to fill the necessary gap within the team?
No, definitely. We have to go in the transfer window to look players, and with Nicholas Nelson's back, that's a big boost for us. A goal scorer, quality player, good leader of the pack, and with his quality, coming back with a bunch of players, it's supposed to boost up more. But definitely we're going in transfer market to look players to fix our position.
Hey, Coach Thomas, thank you so much for your time. All the best. I know you have a game on Sunday. Again, quick turnaround. All the best in that game. Hope you can get the team focused so they can rebound. Keep them away from the parties on New Year's Eve because the game is the next day.
Yeah, definitely festive season. The festive season go, but we as coaches and management staff, we have to try to keep the players up, get them back upbeat for the next game. And next game is against Dombey Hall in Monday Night Football at Arnegans. That's the next tough one. And we have to apply ourselves the right way, and we have to fix things, and we have to go back to the gym.
All right, Coach Thomas, thank you so much for your time. All the best for the rest of the season.